In this video, we will take a look at how to make your voice sound higher using tools available in Audacity. Right, so you've just heard what we can achieve with different tools in Audacity, and we're using Equalizer and change pitch. So first of all, what you will want to do is just select the audio track that you want to be affected, and we will go to Effect and Graphic EQ. And right here, what I did is just I went to the factory presets and just chosen the treble boost preset, and then you can add 6 decibels or something like that in the 3 to 4K range. You're gonna click apply, and that's gonna be it. You will achieve this version of the sound right here. And then with the change pitch effect, again, select your audio track that you want to be affected and go to Effect, Change Pitch. And I have added 2 semitones, but you can play around. The more semitones you'll add, the higher the voice will become, but the more unnatural and unrealistic it is going to sound, and you will achieve the last version of the sound that we've played.